Yeah. Here we are in Lao. Mel is wearing her cool bike helmet. We're going to attempt to cross the road and get back to our bike, which is over there.
It's kind of busy.
Yeah, so you just got to take a step and just go. Just got a leap of faith. So here we go. Just crossing, don't get hit.
This over here is our
awesome bike. Someone moved it sideways. Mel, you just back it up here. Put it over here. You need my help? Come on, Mel. You can do it. Maybe put the kickstand up first. Alrighty. Mel's gonna start her up. Kara's gonna get on the back.
Hang on. You have to pause it.
Pause?
Yeah.
Can we do that?